and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. So today's category of this week's Fansells Friday is diamond paintings. Ooh. There is another exciting category to come, but I thought I need to include some diamond paintings as well because they just keep catching my eye. So we'll start with a special diamond painting. So rather than getting all special diamond paintings, I did just get the one because frankly he's funky. This is Funky Mr. Shark with his fish friends with some beautiful coral, but absolutely loved the sort of colours. I think it was mainly in this one, plus it being fun. It's always nice to do a fun painting. So the actual canvas size on this one is 25 by 25. It does come with a toolkit, and this one is rhinestone. So there are just 7 different colours for this one, but look at these. We have a gorgeous turquoise, which I don't think is really showing up well on camera, but it's beautiful. Turquoise, orange, not too bright, not too dark, really nice turquoise. Lovely bit of lime green, a bit of pink, and then we have blue pearls, and then we have like blue leaf petals and red teardrops to bring in those extra little sort of elements, especially on the coral, but there is also some on Mr. Shark himself and some of the fish fins. So yeah, nice special diamond painting. Great for a nice, fun, quick snack project in between other projects. Or maybe you prefer special diamond paintings straight from the off. There's always some beautiful ones to be had. And I think he's the friendliest shark you're likely to see. So that is number 1. Number 2, we're going bigger. We're definitely going bigger on this one. Sometimes I don't think I look at sizes, you know. I just go for pictures I like. So this one is a 40 by 70. So if you do work in a small space and you are looking at getting something that's bigger, but think you might struggle with loads wider, really tall and thin ones are fun to do because you can just roll them up as you go along. But this one is Beautiful and Handsome Mr. Fox. This is a round painting. I say it's down as a 40 by 70. But look, see? Don't we just have some stunning looking paintings here? So the size of this one is 64 by 34 approximately. I say this one is in a round, but I just thought the design was so nice. You've got dark leaves down the bottom, gorgeous fox, and then you can see the woodlands in the background. This one does come with individual packets. Still see these every now and then, though not as much, but look at some of those gorgeous bright colours. Mixed in, yes, with some darker ones to get these tree outlines, but look at some of those bright ones in there. Bright oranges, bright greens. Beautiful, different set of colours in that one. So that is painting number 2. And if you know me, I tend to open them in size order. Oh, though actually, this one is a 40 by 40. So maybe I haven't opened them in size order. That one is definitely thinner across. And that's what made me grab that one next. But this one is more of a wide, funky, flat one. But this one is a square. So we have a round, a square and a special for today's selection. And this one, size-wise, is actually nearly 40. It's actually about 39 and a half. Though once it's flat, it's very close to 40. It's in between 39.5 and 40, and going up and down it is actually 40. Whereas this one, I did measure it, but this one is 34. So that's why that one looked bigger, but this one is more true to size. This one has 35 colours. The other one had 30. And I say this one is in a square, but how beautiful is that? I don't know what it is. Trees and water. Absolutely love them. This one comes in bags. Very similar to how I've had some paintings from some companies before with the numbers and then sort of the amount of diamonds. But they always tend to be, the amount of diamonds is always a lot more than what you need. But yeah, stunning mixture of sky and trees in this one. This one is quite a bit of a darker colour palette, though there are still some pops of colour, especially around here and around up the top, that will pop out with all that dark. You do also get a slightly nicer toolkit with this one. You get the white boat wax pen with a grip and a pair of silver tweezers. You do also get a couple of multi-placers as well in that one, if the toolkits interest you, if you don't have your own little stash of goodies. So we have quite a few nature ones for today. Must have been what was appealing to me at the time of picking. But I will pop links to each individual one down below if one specific one has caught your eye. Or of course, go and have a browse. There are thousands of different designs to choose from. I very much get lost every time I go looking on there. But yeah, hopefully you like some of these. Do let me know if any of them are your favourites, or indeed if you've decided to treat yourself to any. Or of course let me know of any other ones that you see that you maybe want to see unboxed on a video. I'm always up for suggestions of ones to look for. Might save me a little bit of time because, as I say, I do get lost on there quite often when I start looking. Sometimes it's hard to stop. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.